So welcome back, and in this episode I want to show how to remove this plastic over here, the bottom part plastic on MK3 or MK3.5 station wagon back hood. First of all, you need to take out this one. So I did unscrew the most of it already, so that's not that a big a problem. But yeah, because these, you need to take these two out. So basically this is all good. You can come from the other side and basically unscrew. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, and you need to remove this plastic over here, and those are just 4 screws and some clips, so nothing overly too special, to be honest, because you can see here 1 clip, 2 clips, 3, I believe 6 or so, 6 clips, and it comes inside of here and here. So basically that's about that. And here, once you take this one out, I did show on a video before how to remove this as well, the way to go. So only thing holding this all in place are these clips over here. So yeah, you just click them and it comes out very much easy, nothing overly too special for this one. And the electricity, as you can see over here, just this one clip. So basically you take it out like that, and then this is free. But usually I don't even take this out, I just click it from this side. So I just take my screwdriver and put it on here. Let me show you. So basically I just take the screwdriver and put it inside of here. As you can see, it's already a little bit of moving. So yeah, so, and it's like fully clicked as well. You just take your screwdriver and push it a little bit inside, and it will pop up. So basically nothing overly too special, to be honest. If it does not really go on this side, you just take it from the other side, and it's like that, easy as well. So yeah, but yeah, we have already unpacked. So it's just this clip holding it. But okay, let's move on to the more important things. And this we have these 2 screws, 1, 2. So you take those 2 out, and after that you just need a bigger screwdriver, and you go take out these clips over here. So this one, there's this one, there is another one over here, but still you need to take out these screws. So there is one, another one is over here, that's one, and another one over here. So these are all the screws that are holding this together. After that, you just clip it up. So one side, other side, and after that I believe that's about that. Just clip it out. So basically after you unclip these 2 screws, and here you just pull it off So as you can see over here, what's holding it is this plastic cover, and it does slide inside of all of this. So, and if you want to remove put it back, and when you want to put another one, you just need to click it like this. So you click it back. It's not really that hard. So you click it, screw it in, and that's basically it. So nothing overly too special with all of that. So yeah, that's about that. So I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. And yes, this was a bit of a request from a subscriber. So yeah, that's about that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.